What's happening, everybody? Just swapping out and showing you a comparison here. There's the stock headlight, halogen style, and there's your LED headlight along with LED fog lights. Now they match perfectly. That's LED fog light down there compared to halogen headlight. Looking good. Not too difficult a job to install. I'll put a link down below where you can get it, but here's the headlight here, and on the, when you remove your old bulb, which is pretty easy to get to, underneath here, you don't have to remove anything to get to it, just right back here. Right down there. You just turn it counterclockwise, you know, about 1/8 of a turn or whatever, and it comes right out. But there's also a rubber, you know, like a rubber seal that you have to remove also, because the new one comes with its own rubber seal. And if you try to put it in with the existing one, it won't go. So you'll see an orange rubber seal on the housing down there, and you just have to peel it off basically. And then you just line up the little markings because they have a little bit of a notch. Like, see, they're slightly, you got 2 small notches and 1 larger one. Just make sure those line up properly inside the housing. Give a little quarter turn to the right, and you can see it from this side too when you go to install it. That way you can tell if you're lined up or not. And it connects directly to your OEM wiring. Has its own little cooling fan and everything, which is always an issue with, you know, high intensity lights or LED lights. Sometimes they overheat, and that's why they burn out so quickly. So that's why I went with these. I'll put a link down below where you can get them. But yeah, looking good. There's your comparison once again. And these look, they look very white at night. They don't have a bluish tint. You know, they have more of a bright white tint, which is what I wanted. So we're just modernizing this 13-year-old vehicle. Looks good. Got tons of other videos on this truck. 2008 Hummer H3 Alpha. So look through our other videos and you'll find all kinds of little stuff that may help you if you have one of these. And that's it. Check out other videos and Google Horsepower House online. We got all kinds of stuff all over the place. So y'all have a good day. We'll see you.